Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 2222 at Hilton Singapore Orchard. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. And this is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the right, we have a couple of light switches together with the do not disturb and makeup room switches. Here we have the ironing board with an iron, a torchlight, and a shelf right above. Here we have the open wardrobe area. Below we have in-room slippers, the laundry stuff. There is a mirror in the middle with lights on either sides of the mirror. And here we have storage and a drawer. You have more wardrobe space right there with hangers. And coming back to the beginning, to the left, we have the bathroom. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom. And to the right, as you enter the bathroom, we have a bathrobe, a bathtub, a single sink with towels, the bin, all the bathroom amenities, more towels, your hand wash and body lotion, mirrors with lights, hello. Here we have the toilet. And here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. Bath towels and a floor mat. Okay, so here we have a place to put luggage. And here we have the bed. This looks quite comfortable. The left bedside table is empty, but we have light switches, a plug, a power outlet, or rather, not a plug, power outlet, and we have a couple of USB-A ports. There's a light right above, and here we have the climate control panel. On the right bedside table, it's one long piece of furniture. We have drawers, in-room telephone, the TV remote, more light switches, and another power outlet together with a couple more USB-A ports. And we have lights right above and a mirror right there. Here we have the sofa area with a table, an armchair, a light. Here we have the pantry area with the fridge. It is not empty, but you still have space to put your items in. We have drawers right here. Here we have the mugs and sugar and I think tea. And below we have more storage. Here we have coffee pots, glasses, bottles of water, the coffee machine, kettle, snacks right above, the minibar menu, safety information and whatnot. And on this side, we have more wardrobe space with more hangers. And right here we have a fairly large flat screen LG TV with what looks like storage areas below. And here we have the safe box. Okay, so you open it by the side and we have the safe right here. Alright, finally, let's go for the view. We can see the Pullman Hotel right opposite. We can see more buildings. And down below we have Orchard Road. And you can see the Apple Store right there. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 2222 at Hilton Singapore Orchard. Thanks for watching and goodbye. P.S. Two things that I forgot to mention. There is a Holiday Inn Express right behind the Pullman Hotel. And right beneath this light, you have a standard 3-pin power outlet as well as a universal power outlet. And obviously the on and off switches for both power outlets.